Hey, what's up, students? I want to go over the Holla back curl. We're going to match the algebraic expressions to the correct mathematical situation. I believe these questions have something to do with a percent increase or a percent that's been added or some type of percent that's been removed. So here's how you do those. Anytime you have some type of percent increase or a percent added, you take 100 and you add that percent increase. So here's an example. If you say I added 15% to the bill, you would take 100% plus 15%, which would make 115%. But as a decimal, it would look like 1.15. Okay, so that will help you with, I believe what you're trying to do is you're trying to match a word problem, an algebra expression with a situation. So here's the situation, and then you would connect that to the 1.15 for the algebraic expressions. I believe they are some type of equation, but you want to look for this. Okay, so the big thing to the big thing to highlight is the added 15% and then that guy right there. So I'm going to highlight that. Yeah. Okay, you kind of see what's going on right there. Added 15%, 1.15. If I removed the percent, you basically remove it from 100. So it's going to be either 100 plus the percent or 100 minus the percent. Let's say something lost 15% in value. It lost 15% in value. You would take 100% minus 15%, which means 85%. The big thing about percent lost is that it's cool to know what that number is, but it's actually more important to know how much remains. So when you go to the store and it says 10% off, that's cool. You save 10%, but you're going to spend 90%. Okay. In this case, it's 15 and 85. If you lose 15% of your value, that means you keep 85%, which is mathematically the number that's more important. So yes, it's cool that we lost the 15%, but it's more important that we know how much we keep. So the tricky part about losing percents is that it says a loss, or it lost 15%, but over here in the algebra, in the math, we would look at the 0.85. Okay, so it's kind of tricky. So we don't really focus on the minus 15, we focus on what's left over. So be careful with percent removals. Percent add, very, very simple. Percent removals, try to think of how much is left with percent losses. All right, that is the Holla back curl.